In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use page blocks in Thrive Architect. Don't know what page blocks are? Well, I'm going to show you what they are and how to use them to build high converting landing pages and sales pages in Thrive Architect. So stay watching. I'm Mike Hines from academytitan.com. If you like the content and the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you stay informed every time we post new content on here. If you would like to learn how to make an income online doing the same as I do, then click the link in the description down the bottom. I'm using a simple but effective YouTube strategy to build leads and sales. So go ahead, click that link. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Okay, so let's get back to today's subject. Page blocks in Thrive Architect. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to jump onto my WordPress admin area of my site, at Academy Titan. So let's jump over straight away. Okay, here we are in the WordPress admin area of my site, Academy Titan. And what we're going to do, we're going to add a new page for the purpose of this tutorial. And we're going to call it Demo 1. Okay, we're going to publish that. And we're going to edit with Thrive Architect. Now that shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds to load. And there we go, we have our page. Alright, now let's go over to the right hand side. We're going to add a template. And we're going to add a smart landing page template. And to use the page blocks, you have to look for the 3 little green blocks up here, and that tells you that this particular template has page blocks, can use page blocks. Now this particular feature is going to be added to all the smart landing pages eventually. It's just going to take a little time, but for now we're going to use this one here. And what we're going to use a blank page. That's just loading, it won't take long. There we go, there's our page loaded. And as you can see, we have added a page block up here at the top. Okay, so let's build our page. Now, you're probably wondering why use page blocks. Well, page blocks are pre-designed blocks of content. And they keep the same width as your landing page. And you can add more content to them. You can add images, you can add text. You can also delete anything you don't need as well. So, okay, let's choose a headline for now. Let's choose this headline. Okay, so there's our top piece headline. This would be what would normally be the hero type image or something up here, but we're going to have just a headline. Okay, we're going to add a page block, and let's add some. We can come over here to the categories on the left hand side, and we're going to add text. And let's just add normal text for now. Okay, there's our text, and we're going to add. Let's add benefits. Benefits, and there we have the benefits. Now, as you can see, we've added 4, but only 3 I am showing at the width of the page at the moment. So we can actually get rid of 1 just there. There we go. Now that looks nicer, and you have the 3 just across the page. Let's add another page block down here, and I think we can have we can add testimonials. Okay, let's find testimonials. There we go. Great. And we can now add another text block, and you can see we're building the page out nicely. Let's have a call to action down here, and let's choose this one here, a call to action, and we'll add one more just for look, and this time we will lead collect the emails, and we're going to go straight with this one, and we'll put this one on here. I've got a particular reason for doing that, sorry about that, because it's all nice and bright. Okay, there we go. We built that page very quickly, and all we need now is just add our content, but you can build a page to your particular design or to your particular taste, so very quickly and very efficiently. And we've got our page now. I don't particularly like this red color. It doesn't, let's say it doesn't go with my brand. So what we can do is come over here to the right hand side to the central style panel, on there, and we can now click on the and we'll change this to completely different color. Let's change it to blue. Okay, there we go. Now as we scroll down, you can see what happens down here. See, you can see that the change to blue, and here we have the big image type thing that this block has also changed to blue, and again down here it's all changed to blue. So just by changing one element, it changes the whole site to the same color. So which is saves a lot of time. It saves you having to go into each one and change the color. Okay, now something else I quite liked about PageBox is that the typography. Let's take this text here, this little section of text here. Okay, now if we change the font, let's change the font. Let's go to website fonts and find a font that is completely different. That doesn't look different enough. And maybe let's there we go now. And what we can also do, we can actually italic that. There we go. Now it's an italic. Now it's completely, as you can see, it's completely different from this text here. Now, if we go up here to where it says paragraph, click the downward arrow, paragraph, and we can now scroll across to here, update paragraph to match. So if we click on this, there you go, the text is the same. And if we scroll down, you can see all the text is now the same right throughout the site. All the paragraph text is the same. So just by changing in one element, you can change the whole site. So that's, here is a heading 2. So let's try a heading 2. Let's change the font again to website fonts, and let's find a font that's completely different. There we go, font. Yeah. Let's try this one, see what that looks like. No, it doesn't really look different enough. No, that doesn't look different enough either. Courier, there, that should do it. Okay, and we might as well italic that as well. There we go. So now it looks completely different. So Now, if we scroll down a bit, you can see that this is a heading 2 as well, completely different from there. So if we go up to heading, click on the download, heading 2, scroll across, update heading 2 to match. Click on there. Yeah, that's it. And you can see now this heading here is the same, and the other all the same. So that's a neat little feature that but just by changing in one element, you change the text throughout the site. So that saves a lot of time. So that was all the typography. Also another feature is that elements in content blocks have group editing applied as well. So for example, we have 3 blocks here. We've got the testimonials, all 3, they're part of the same block. Now if we change something in, we say this block, top block, that will automatically change the other 3 as well. So let's, for example, let's put a rounded corner then. Okay, let's 50, and the trouble is you can't see that very well. Let's change the background style to something that we can see. There. Now you can see that we've got rounded corners on the top box, and the same with the other 2 as well. So what you apply to one applies to all 3, or however many boxes are in the block. So that's again another cool feature. It saves having to do each individual one. So again, a big time saver. Now we built this page from scratch, but we can also add page blocks to existing templates. So let's jump over and change the template. And again, we're looking for the ones with the three blocks here. Yeah. So let's try to expand this, and we want the sales page just to demonstrate. So here we are in our new template. It's a pre-built template, as you can see, and it's got lots and lots of elements built out nicely to add your own content, and you're good to go. Now, even though the template is pre-built, you can still add page blocks to it by this little plus sign here. It says page block. We can add a new block, and let's for argument's sake, it's testimonials. Yeah, there we have it. You can take blocks away. If you didn't want something, just click on the dustbin here, and that gets rid of the block for you. So again, you can build your pages from scratch using page blocks very quickly and efficiently, or you can use a pre-designed template and add blocks to add more content, or change the look and feel of the page as to your requirements. As I said, you can add blocks, take blocks away, and you can build a very cool sales page or landing page very quickly. Yeah, I think we've covered it all. Another great feature from Thrive Themes to make life easier for us marketers. You've just learned how to use page blocks in Thrive Architect. This will be a great feature to help you build high converting landing pages and sales pages. If you would like to learn how to make an income online doing the same as I do, then click the link in the description down the bottom. I use a simple but effective YouTube strategy to build leads and sales. So click that link now. It works for me, so it'll work for you too. If you like the content and you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm Mike Hines from academytitan.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.